And here is the Copco. This is a non-skid 2-tier turntable. So I'm going to put this together, but it comes in the 2 pieces. The bottom part has the 2 posts that will install right there, and then it just turns. It's like a regular turntable. Let's install this, and then we can start putting some things on it for shelf and pantry organization. Insert the post, insert. Then take the top and set it on the bottom. And there we have the 2-tier turntable. Perfect size. You can take canned items and put it underneath and put it in your pantry, just like that. And you'll be able to rotate, especially if you put that in a corner. You could even put cups up here if you want to put this inside of your, these are just washed. If you want to put this inside of your cabinet, you can spin that around if it's in the cabinet, and you'll be able to reach those cups. So very handy, nice turntable, 2-tier. Definitely recommend, for sure, pick one of these up.